Wow, guess what we're doing again? You read the title. You know what we're doing again. This time, there are a lot of these. I like these. The ones that I like. Let's just get going. This time we are actually fighting a martlet. Oh.
What the dog doing?
Okay, let's just get going. We are actually fighting a martlet this time. Excuse me. Hi. Let's go. So, just... Yeah, okay. Should be good. I was... Sorry, I don't know where my head was right there. It seems I was somewhere home alone in the use days. You're looking at lost, or you're looking for directions. I'll let you in on a little secret. I'm actually an information kiosk. I know this place like the back of my wing, though. I don't get lost much at all anymore. I can get you wherever you want to go. Wait, I'm gonna take a shot in the dark here, but you're human, right? I knew it. I knew I'd find a human. You must be human, right? Right? You look just like this guy on the poster I saw once. He had a hat just like you, and he was totally human, so, like, transitive property or something like that? Actually, I think he was from space. Are there space humans? You know what? I'll have plenty of time to ask you questions later. Are you ready for some Royal Guard protocol? No. I hope you are, because I memorized it. Boss music. That's the boss music. I'm gonna edit this and make that the boss music. Oh. I want to make sure it's clear, but I'm gonna edit it and make it was mine to be the boss music instead. I don't think I'm supposed to be helping you, but that was supposed to be your turn. Okay, I stick around your stuff for all the time. I'll let you go again. I'm getting lost in that music too. Hold on. I have to say about them. I'll try to do this thing directly. Yeah. Just, okay, sure, go for it. No. Okay, I'm really sorry to wait. I'm okay. Not much room for anything else, but I'm really trying to do better. That's like I'm behind this girl. What are you doing? Oh, what's that? All creators were made on the air in the cover of this song. Oh. Gauntlet. What are my sound effects? Marla, what did you do with my sound effects? Oh. Marla, what did you do to my sound effects? Oh. My sound effects. Marla, what are my sound effects? Oh. Really? Okay. I wouldn't do anything. Lancer. You want me, Lancer? Man! Take this and oh! Yeah. But they don't take that. You wanna know what happened? Kirby fell off the cliff. Yeah, that's what the noise was, Margaret. Don't worry. It's okay. Kirby just fell off the cliff and died. That's okay. Oh. No, Sans is not in this band game originally. Oh, yeah, just one more time. Anyway, hey, Sans, I will hurt you. Cute stuff. You don't want me to have your hurt. Shut that hand up there. Hopefully. That girl did have this problem. Well, I guess she didn't attack me per se. Just me and Duncan was like, you know all about I'm not killing stuff that there's out of your head. Okay. Insult. Oh. You don't look so weird. Oh, that was adorable. I feel insulted. I feel honored. That's so much work into that. Okay, listen, here we go. Protocol of all that. Guard. You're a weenie, Margaret. Margaret, you're a weenie. Margaret, I don't like those clothes. I don't like it. I don't that much like I stab all that sodium or anything. Haha. Oh, wait, my turn. Oh, yikes. Wrong insult. Hold on, Clover, you gotta chill. My self-esteem tells a kind of metaphorical level. Like a bucket future shoe. Wait, future parts? No, I don't. Oh no. Yikes, I just got hit by a bowling ball. That's bad. Yeah, I know that's pretty crazy. Say, you're not wrong about that one. I've kind of been on vacation. What's her? Oh my god! That's Mika! One more step and I can say goodbye to Royal Guardom. And all the nice perks that come with it. My cozy uniforms, my Royal Guard discount, the movies, my nice insurance rates. When they find out how much I hesitate here, I'm doomed. I mean, they specifically said don't hesitate. I got it! Oh. What? What did you do, Margaret? Margaret, what did you do? Margaret. What happened? Well, we're just over here. We're going about protocol. Instead, we're just going to find and see you. We'll be home in time for dinner. I mean, maybe not today's dinner, but... Margaret! But for sure, 8 dinner. Anyway, we might pass the road guard to your face to Asgore. So that way he can say no to cute little face like yours. On the other hand, I'll show you my plan to getting you home. Oh my gosh. That was a lot of Hatsune Miku. Howdy, great job once again. I hate that so many monsters are ruthlessly attacking you. You're handling it with grace. I'm not sure I trust this one. Looking for her, she doesn't seem too put together. We can ditch her. As soon as she messes something up, I'm sure it won't take long. Shut up, Flowey. It's time to check my sound effects. How are we going? Oh, except for Sans. Sans stopped. Sans what? Oh. They stopped. They've been stopped. Spicy. Oh. There you go. Why did they stop? Oh, keep going. It's funny. Hi. Hey there, so here's the plan. I'm sorry, I think that went a little overboard, but I can't help it. This is exciting. Thanks, Lancer. So I've been saving this for a rainy day. You know, figuratively, we don't really have those. Either way, behold, the UG Aviator. On the water sits an old-looking raft with just enough room for two passengers. Isn't she a beauty? Both are she's, you know. I call her Ava for short. Isn't that cute? No. Oh, it's horrible. 0 out of 10. Never mind. I love you, Mark, but Pikmin! Why is Hotland in red text? That's kind of threatening.
What the dog doing?
What's the truck doing? There should lead directly to Hotland. From there, it's a hop, skip, and a leap to Asgo's castle. I'm struggling to talk. I'm not sure how long I can talk for. I might not. Okay. Oh. Did Kirby just say Pikachu? That's adorable. Never mind. I'm just not gonna read the dialogue, but I will make commentary. Sure. Yay! Well, your trust is in good hands. Or wings, as the case may be. Earth by soul! Soul? Undertale? Thanks, Hatsune Miku. I love you, Evan Polka. The Pikmin died at the end. Nice. All the fun we'll have. I mean, there's a chance it might be fire freeze, but... okay. That was fun. So it's really fun. Man, hold on, Kirby just died! No! Louie! Is Louie responsible? Honestly, if you played any Pikmin game, you know who he is. Except, I don't know, the first one. So nice! From Undertale Yellow. She's here. Hi, Martlet. He hates humans. Oh, now I just feel bad. It's gonna happen. No, it's gonna happen. God, wrong. Why can't I put in gonna happen? Oh, hi, Kirby. That's okay, that'll happen. I just wanna check all of them. But, they're honest. Oh, goodness. Goodbye, Kirby. Anyways, I'll wait for Mika to sing again. An hour and a half of running water. did! It worked very well. Oh, Luna, I think I've been down this route before, but it's something... Marlin Weird script. That's safe. Time! I said stop! God! Where did the kid go? What happened to... Where did that kid go? So we get for this cutscene, we fight Sans immediately. Look! Oh. That was the noise Clover made when they fell off the raft. Oh no, no, no! You stay right there, go get help! That's the noise Clover made. Okay, Howdy, Clover. Oh, gee, this is Ben. Thanks to that guard, we're totally off course. Looks like she did shoot as well. I guess it can't be helped now. There's gotta be another route to Asper's castle here. Top it out for now, and we'll see where this new path takes us. That looks like we never hurt anyone. Well, it's up to you. Let me heal you up. Thank you, Flowey. It's funny that this is neutral route. He doesn't become as helpful. And, if anyone doesn't know what's in that other door, apart from... I don't know, maybe a Pikmin died in the other door. Maybe we don't want to see that. I don't want to see Pikmin. I like Pikmin. I don't want to... Oh, crap. Oh, I don't want to see that happen to Pikmin. I like Pikmin. Doing more like, I'm going to spare you because you're cute. Oh. Ooh. How did I dodge that? My goodness. Oh, blah, blah. Very cute. How do I spare you? Hey Doombud, how do I spare you? Hey Doombud, where did my sound effects go? Hey Doombud, where are my sound effects? Why are you like trying to attack me? If I'm just petting you and you like it and you're just trying to attack me. It's not very fair. Doombud, oh. Yeah, the sound effects are still going. They're going, they're just not playing. I feel like they're all gonna go off on
What the dog doing?
last time. It's gonna be like horrible. Double trouble. Guys, double trouble. Oh, wow. When I play Undertale Yellow. I know what the Doombud made.
Oh no!
Omar! The prediction was correct. Thank you, Hatsune Miku. That was very nice. We love Hatsune. If you don't love Hatsune Miku, unsubscribe immediately. Goodness. Oh, that was so close. Where am I? Where am I? No! Actually, where am I now? Never mind, I think I remember this. Where are my sound effects? Hi! Louie! Hickman! Hickman! I think it's every time I open up the menu, it just stops every video. Oh, yep, it worked. The only one that stopped is Hatsune. We love Hatsune. Thanks, Hatsune. Help! Oh! Do this whole thing again? This game is great, but this puzzle is not. Something can actually grow here. Hey, we great job so far. This place looks like noted. No.